Hey, Ashley Aylor here. So I am going to show you guys how to do a real pretty eyeshadow look. But the first thing is we need to prime our eyes, and I'm going to be using some colorful, pretty colors. So I want to do my full highlight and contour last. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my highlight on my eye. Use this as a primer. Prime. Eyeshadow everything brush. Where is that? My eyeshadow everything brush, and I'm going to go in with the bigger end to choose my transitional color, which is also the color I'm going to be using in the crease. All right, I'm going to go in with Oak. It's this real pretty brown-ish color, okay? So I've already primed the eye. I dabbed it in, going to go like that, and then I'm going to kind of just deposit this in and then swirl it in back and forth. On the other eye as well. And the reason why I'm doing this first is because if it gets on my lower part of my face, then I can still clean it up before I do my highlight and contour instead of trying to clean it up over a done face, okay? So I'm going to get a little more product. All right, and this is such a pretty transitional color and just a pretty baseline color. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go in with this beautiful color, which is called As If. It's a real pretty purple. And I am going to go, if I can get it back in here, and this compact is magnetic, so it holds all the makeup in beautifully. All right, so now I'm gonna go with this end, get some product on there, and I'm gonna kind of put it on this part of my lip. Now what I'm going to do is go in with this really gorgeous color. It is called, let me find it, this one right here. It's so gorgeous. It is called As You Wish. Sometimes it looks peach, sometimes it looks pinkish, sometimes purplish. It's just such a beautiful color. So I'm going to go in with that one in the inner corner right here. And I'm going to also go over here with it and then on the inner lid. And then what you want to do is make sure all of your colors are blended beautifully. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to bring Rome, which is a real pretty, just good color to use to blend up to your brows. And I just got my brows microbladed, so I'm not going to do my brows, and that's why they're kind of faded looking right now. But now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to turn off the video, and I'm going to do my full highlight and contour. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after blending all these colors so they transition beautifully together. And then too, another cool little thing. Let's say we want to add some depth and dimension. So I'm going to go in with another brush, if I can find it. I hope this one, yeah, I washed this. I'm going to go in with, I believe this one is Trust. It's a darker color right here. And I'm going to go in and just, with your eyes open, get it and kind of just put it in there and then blend it out. And then I'm going to do it over here as well. Eye open in that crease and just kind of blend it out. And then as you can see, it just adds some pretty depth in there, but not too much. right, and then I'm going to blend all this out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I finish everything. All right, full finished look. So stinking gorgeous. DM me to get color matched.